Hello, this is Bruce Tremper with the Utah Avalanche Center, and we're here on a south-facing slope at about 9,000 feet in Big Cottonwood Canyon, and the snow is getting pretty soggy. I try to walk through it, then I'm sinking down to my knees through the different layers of snow, and when the snow is wet and you're sinking through like that, then it can be a problem. So digging down, I want to see if the meltwater is percolating down through the deeper weak layers. The way wet avalanches usually work is that you have layers in the snowpack, and then this time of year it goes what we call isothermal, meaning it's the same temperature throughout. In other words, freezing. So there's meltwater here, and then even down at the bottom of the snowpack I can make a snowball out of the snow. So that means that it's got a little bit of liquid water in there, just kind of damp snow. And so the entire snowpack is kind of damp to wet in various degrees. And then the third thing that you look for is for strong meltwater to percolate through the snowpack and saturate up a weak layer, or pool above an ice crust or something like that. And when it's saturated, it decreases the strength of that buried layer, and then the slab on top of it can take off and come down. So that's what we're looking for wet slab activity that may develop during this strong high pressure ridge, where it's very, very warm and sunny in the mountains and very cold and smoggy in the valleys. Right now I'm not seeing a whole lot of evidence of strong percolation of meltwater through the snow. It's just kind of warmed up to the point that if it does get warm enough where we see a lot of percolation of meltwater through the snow, then we're going to have to watch out for wet avalanches. We've got all the ingredients in place right now. We're just sort of looking for the extremely warm temperatures and strong sun. But regardless, the way you always deal with wet snow avalanches is you get off of and out from underneath steep slopes when they start getting wet and soggy, especially in the heat of the afternoon.